Hello, everyone. It's Keedar, founder and visionary of Educators Now. I first just want to say thank you for allowing us to serve. We are thrilled to have you as a partner for the 25-26 school year. Now, there are some exciting changes happening with Educators Now and our partnership. So we hear you. That's why we've decided to only partner with a select number of schools while we go through our intentional reset. Our vision during this reset is to serve schools the way we want our children to be served. Now, here's how we're going to accomplish that, and here's what you can expect.
At Educators Now, we are not just placing educators. We are building dream teams on purpose. Introducing our 80-20 Recruitment Plan, a bold, intentional approach to getting the right educator in the right seat. Here's how it works. Every Educators Now talent is selected for their unshakable core traits: professionalism, passion, presence, and purpose. That's the 80%. These characteristics make our educators undeniably excellent. And then we go deeper. We align the final 20% with your school's unique culture, your values, and student needs, because we know that fit matters. The result is educators don't just show up, they belong. They reflect your mission, reflect your culture, and help your students thrive. This is recruitment redefined. This is the 80-20 plan, only from Educators Now. Your school profile gives us the insight to serve you best. Complete it today so we can get it right from day one. This is why you will receive the school profile link so that we can understand the specific features of your organization. Example, your school's culture, your school's age range, and even small details relative to the profile of the educator you desire.
We want to make sure that your school is set up for success. We will be intentional and responsive with every aspect of our partnership, like educator observation, partner alignment, or school support, just to name a few. We dedicate ourselves to work towards a harmonious partnership through effective communication, calendar alignment, and filling your assignment with the best fit for each school site. We are so excited to bring in a new school year with intentionality.
So thank you. Thank you for joining us in this road of intentionality. We look forward to serving you. Please attach to this email are links and our forms to have for your school, your timesheets that you will have for your school, as well as the school profile link and others. And be on the lookout for a call from your zone manager that will be out within the next couple of weeks to make sure you are set up for success for the beginning of the school year. Again, thank you. We appreciate you, and we look forward to a continued partnership.